writing down this poetry until the day I die.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be attempting to do my own portrait photo shoot. This is inspired by this chick on TikTok. She posts so many tips and stuff on photography at home and making use of your quarantine days. So I figured I would give it a go. I'm just gonna be doing my makeup now. I'm not gonna film a lot of the makeup because it's not a tutorial. I don't have much to show. So I'm just gonna, so now I'm thinking I might just do flowers, maybe a white bed sheet, maybe under a desk. I don't know. We'll see what I can figure out, but I want to glue flowers to my face. So we'll give it a go. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So. Okay guys, so you know how I said I wasn't gonna go too crazy with my makeup. You know, I kind of just did a natural, nature-esque look. Bruh, I popped off with my makeup. I was like, ooh, ooh. This is the first time I've ever actually done colorful makeup, and I've got this makeup palette, and this is the first time I've ever used it. But I'm actually so excited to go take some cute ass photos, so let's go set up the area. Ooh, and my eyes a bit red from, I think it's from the glue, but it doesn't hurt, it's just red. Okay guys, so I've done the setup of how I want the photos to be taken, but the problem is to control my camera I have to use my phone. I might check in my GoPro. I can use my GoPro to see if I can film, but I've got everything set up. Have this. I don't know if I want it on the orange light or the white light. I'll have to test it to decide that. And then I'm going to flip this over the camera so that it looks like I'm like in a white tunnel kind of thing. And hopefully I want the flowers to stay in place so that they're in the background. And then yeah, I don't know why I thought of it like this, but this is the plan. This is how I'm going to execute it. So I'm going to connect my phone to my G7X so that I can click the button on my phone and it take the photo on the camera. And then I'll see if I can set up a GoPro. But yeah, I'm excited. That's a wrap, brothers. My phone. So I'm going to import all the photos to my phone, and then I'm going to edit them on, what would you call it? Lightroom, Adobe Lightroom. So I'm going to let it do its downloading thing, and then I'm gonna pack up all these. I'm actually really excited. They look pretty cute, and definitely 10 out of 10 worth it. Here's the finished product.
Tell me I'll be better. We were just kids sneaking into Coachella. Oh, tell me I'll be better. Always been a joker, like you know I'm here.